Hello amigos, my name is Jatin and welcome to my channel techyrators. This is my third video and in this video I'll show you how to make your pendrive bootable in Windows operating system. So before starting the video, do subscribe to my channel techyrators and do hit the bell icon to get all updates of my channel. And don't forget to click the like button if you like my video. So let's get started with making the pendrive bootable. With the first step, that is downloading Rufus. So for making your pendrive bootable in Windows operating system, you need an application named Rufus. So let's download it. So open your browser and type RUFUS, enter. So rufus.ie is the official website of Rufus. So click on it, scroll down and now click Rufus 3.10, that is 1.1 MB file. Click and wait for the pop-up window to download it. So after download, you directly use the Rufus because you don't need to install Rufus. You can use it without install. So my Rufus is first downloaded, then click on it to open it, run, and yes. So first you have to select your device. My device is already selected. So here's the disk or ISO image. Select your ISO image. So my ISO image was set up, Ubuntu, and open. So after you select your ISO image, the last step is to start. OK and OK. So the processing is start. Now after the end of the processing, your pendrive is bootable. And this is the end of the video. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel for it talks. Now bye bye.